Hello guys, it's your boy Tosh Shetty. So we are gonna go on Roblox and then we are gonna showcase Astro Titan telescope. So if you wanna get him, you need astral recovery real quick. If you know what's astral recovery, you yeah, you will actually get him. But there's a plot twist at the end. So yeah, we have to like get him by defeating Gravitron UFO boss. So yeah, these are my games that I play right now. And yeah, Choso became free in here right now. So yeah, you can be him. So let me see how much friends. Oh, I have no friends. So yeah, if we go to Cheetah, he's my friends. The golden capper is there. He's my friend. Cat is one of my friends from school. He always calls me the golden capper. Okay, so it takes a lot of time to load. Sorry for that. So I am going here. Sorry if it took 1 minute. And I go to the elevator. Oh, I have to go to a solo elevator. Sorry, guys. So yeah, we have to go to sandbox mode for this because I have both both hyper and astro because I have gone this like spam the chat like for real. If you are here, tell the chat hyper. So if you go down here, you won't see it. Now, yeah, I also got dummy for some reason. This is the cone maze, if you know. You saw it. It's a cone maze. So we went to the. Now you see everything is upgraded. Now these are the two. So you wanted to see astral recovery. And yeah, we have no arm. The idle animation looks sick. And now we're gonna go to sandbox mode because this is a showcase. So I'm on computer, so no, I'm on. So first we black. Okay. Now Ultra actually needs multi. Yeah. So that happens. We need like metal boxes. Next we need stone. Then blue. Oh, now we can't upgrade it. So it's hard to Oh. That's called a purist shot. I got a saw, right? have achievements. I personally like the rarity nights and enjoy them. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. Now, bye bye.